Hi, everybody. I just wanted to take the opportunity to tell you that I have looked over, as you can see, your problem proposal discussion boards, and I have offered some kind of feedback. But I wanted to talk to you guys before you marry yourself to any one particular topic to make sure that you understand the kind of goal of this assignment, that is your problem solution essay. And a lot of you guys chose interesting topics, but I want to make sure that you understand that these should be clear, defined problems to focus on something tangible, something. I have a lot of you writing on COVID, and that's fine, but what specific problem? I mean, we know that COVID is an issue, but what is something that is you can focus on that you can come up with a feasible solution to. Um, I hope that makes sense, because you're going to have to come up with two practical solutions and not just ones that are, oh, you need to change the law, kind of things that we can implement, and change, to help not maybe not solve a problem, but certainly alleviate it or make it less problematic. The other thing that I want to mention is that you guys focus on something local. It has to be something related to the Fredericksburg, DC, Spotsy, Stafford kind of area, or Virginia as a state, an issue that Virginia faces as a state that touches us. And I mean that's a lot of these issues are certainly going to be, countrywide, or affect more than one place, and you can use those sources to help support that what you can use those sources to support what you're saying, but you want to start with something that affects us locally. And my suggestion is to consult local papers. Look at the local news for the Spotsylvania area, the DC area, the Richmond area. Look at newspapers or things in Virginia. And for example, I have one of you all is writing on homelessness, which I think is a great issue. It certainly is a problem in society, and whatever, however you want to define that problem, or what about homelessness you want to address is fine. But for example, I read an article. Not I didn't look for this article. I just remember reading it after finding um, the reading the discussion boards, and I was like, oh yes, I read an article the other day about this houseless community at the Coliseum. So these by looking at local papers, looking at things that affect Virginia, you can use that as a springboard to help kind of clarify, define your problem, and look for other sources to support that. So that's kind of what I suggest. Like I said, if you're really married to your topic, find a way to define it and clarify it and fit it in a way that you can make it a local kind of issue. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to come talk to me. I have office hours starting in about an hour. I'll be here all day. Not all day, but I'll be here for a while. So if you want to pop in, or if you want to email me and say, are you going to be around at 3 o'clock today? I'll say, yes, I'll be on at 3. Or if you want to come talk to me tomorrow, Thursday. But certainly, if I don't address this now, it could be a problem for you later on when we start to talk about other things. So please, again, make sure that you focus on something tangible, focus on something local, and focus on something that has a feasible, or that you can potentially come up with a feasible solution. So that's all I have for you for now. Take a look at my comments and let me know if I can do anything to assist you in any way. So I hope you guys have a beautiful Tuesday, and I'll be talking with you guys soon.